Looking for a job in 2026? Basic Excel may not be enough. Here are 7 Excel skills that can make you more valuable at work.
Number 1. XLOOKUP. It helps you quickly find information from large tables without manually searching through hundreds of rows. Number 2. Pivot tables. They can turn thousands of rows of data into simple reports and summaries in just a few clicks. Number 3. IF and IFS. These formulas help Excel make decisions automatically, such as identifying who passed, failed, qualified, or didn't qualify. Number 4. Data cleaning. Learn how to remove duplicates, fix inconsistent information, and organize messy data. Number 5. Charts and dashboards. Instead of showing people rows of numbers, you can turn your data into clear, professional visuals. A good dashboard can help managers understand important business information at a glance.
Number 6. Conditional formatting. It automatically highlights important information, such as low sales, overdue payments, or high-performing products.
And number 7. Power Query. It helps you import, clean, combine, and transform large amounts of data without doing everything manually. These skills can make your Excel knowledge much more useful in real workplace situations. Whether you're in finance, sales, administration, or business analysis, Excel remains a powerful workplace skill. Master these 7 skills, and you'll have a much stronger Excel skill set for today's workplace. Which one are you learning first?